Now, you might be wondering, how do you exactly redeem or use your BPI credit card points? Well, this one is pretty simple. There are multiple ways to do this. First things first is you may want to earn your points first with your card. Now, every time you use your BPI credit card on eligible purchases, you rack up BPI reward points. Now, the number of points depends on which card you have. Now, next is you may want to access an app. So that includes the Vibe app for BPI or Vibe by BPI. Now, you want to download the by BPI app here. So you want to go and just download this from Google Play Store. Now, you need to sign in using your BPI account. By the way, if you don't have an account for Vive yet, you need to create one and you need to link your BPI account. So this app is where you'll track your points and redeem rewards. Now, once you're in Vive, you want to tap it on the BPI rewards or a similar section. This opens up a dashboard of available rewards you can actually redeem using your points. Now, you want to browse through options, things like shopping credits, gift vouchers, dining discounts, or exclusive credit card rewards or items. Now, one known example here is to convert 20,000 BPI points into 1,000 shopping credits on your selected brand or selected platform. Now, next thing that you want to do is you want to just basically redeem your chosen reward. Now, tap the redeem or use point for the reward you want. Now, if it's a shopping credit, the credit is usually applied to your nominated card within 5 to 7 working days. Now, if the reward isn't in Vive or is a special credit card exclusive reward, you might need to redeem through BPI's contact center or via branch by sending a message with your card number, points, and reward code. Then from then on, just wait and check your statement. Now, after redeeming, keep an eye on your credit card statement or the app. The reward or shopping credit and voucher as well should show up after the processing period. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.